Hi, so this will show you how to do the data dump counts for two vendors, TMT and Infogroup. So Monday you'll do the TMT data dump, and Tuesday you'll do the Infogroup data dump. So basically what this entails is running the counts in QlikView and then taking a screenshot of that and emailing it to each vendor. So just to show you where these data dump files live, just for your own information. So if you open up the browser here, scroll down, and it's under OneDrive, and it's TMT, and then Infogroup is up here. So TMT, you can see all the different files, and they'll have like today's date or yesterday's date. So the first thing you have to do is open QlikView, and if you just go to File, you'll see the first two things, Data Dump TMT, and then Infogroup. So let's say today's Monday, open up the TMT, and all you need to do is press this button with the green arrow, and it'll start running. So when it's finished running, the little pop-up, you could close it, and then you'll take a screenshot of this, but before you do that, just go into Salesforce, and you could, in my browser, I have a shortcut to set up, and it goes directly to storage usage, or you could just go into Setup and quick find storage, and this has every object and the number of records in each. So the number here should generally match what's here. So like for example, accounts 3272 basically matches here 3274. So just quickly verify these numbers with Salesforce. And then take a screenshot. I have the little snipping tool. Copy. And then the email to TMT. Oops, sorry. It's this, TMT small train data. And just data dump, here are the counts. And just paste that. And that's all you have to do for TMT on Monday. Infogroup on Tuesday is a little different. You will do the same thing. You'll go into the Infogroup data dump in QlikView. And once this loads, you'll press the green thing to get the counts. Once it's done, you don't have to compare these numbers to Salesforce. For example, like donations, I'm just running a smaller file of donations, so this number will not match Salesforce. So just a heads up. Now, you have to send the Infogroup, their files to their FTP. So open up FileZilla, again on my computer, and under the Quick Connect, this one, MSM E6RT. And then, if you don't see Infogroup 2, the link, you can just press Infogroup, and that'll jump right to this thing, to this folder. So you have to move all of these files, highlight them all, and just click them, drag them into this file, into this folder. And then after all of these transfer, then last one to transfer, it lives in another folder. You have to go, just scroll right up to C drive, archived campaign members, and it's this first one. And again, drag this one into the same spot. This one is a big file, so it'll take quite a while to transfer. That's fine. And after you send in the files, or while that's happening, again, just take a snip of this. Notice that I did not include archived campaign members. So copy this, and the woman you're going to send it to is Brenda C see Fairwood. And then the same exact thing. And that's it. Thanks.